Falls Park is located in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. That's in the southeastern part of the state, and if you're traveling through like we were, it's about 10 minutes south of Interstate 90. This 128-acre city park is free to get in and is open from 5 a.m. to midnight daily, and the main attraction are these beautiful waterfalls of the Big Sioux River. We went to the visitor center first. It also has a gift shop in there and a tower where you can either take an elevator up or walk the steps up to the top to get some really beautiful views of the falls. And if you like these informative travel videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Last time we were here, it smelled like bacon because there's a pork processing plant right across the street. After getting some great views from the top, we got down and got a little bit closer to the falls. We really enjoyed this park. This is the second time we've been. The first time we went was back in 2019. Oh, look how little the boys look. And the water was really flowing that day. There are so many vantage points here. You can get close, you can stay far. There's just a lot of viewpoints at this park. You can also see the ruins of the Queen Bee Mill that was opened here in 1881. This was a 7-story building, but sadly it was closed 2 years later in 1883 due to inadequate water supply and wheat shortage. And if you're hungry, the Falls Overlook Cafe sits right on the river, and it's actually the old Sioux Falls Light and Power Company building that was completed in 1908. But inside they now serve soup, salad, sandwiches, and ice cream. And if you have more time to spend here, there is the Big Sioux River Recreational Trail in Greenway. It's a 19-mile loop trail that you can walk, jog, bike, or rollerblade on. For those of you following along our road trip from Florida to Vancouver, where we get on a cruise ship and sail the Inside Passage of Alaska, this is still day 4 of our road trip. In the previous video, we showed you the Waubonsie State Park that we went to in Iowa. Then we traveled to Falls Park here in South Dakota, and then we end the day at the Corn Palace in Mitchell, South Dakota, which will be our next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And until next time, adventures are out there are you. Have a blessed day. Bye.